HeavyR is a module dedicated to fast and efficient R code made easy. In practice, the objectives will be to present and practice state-of-the-art tools for the development of fast and efficient R code. In particular, the learning objective will be to be able to identify computational bottlenecks in your code, then to be able to optimize a function using C++ code integrated through RCPP, and to be able to harvest parallel computation with easy multi-core computation in R. And finally, to be able to evaluate and compare speedups gains from competing implementations. First, we'll start with a brief recap on writing R packages, which are going to be a useful tool for R code development. Then we'll see how to measure computation times and how to profile code to identify those computational bottlenecks. Then we'll dive into RCPP functionalities and how we can leverage those to make your code faster with a small chunk of C++. And after that, we'll also look at the parallelization tools that are offered in R with easy APIs. We'll talk a little bit about GitHub and Git that are useful for collaboratively develop open source R code. And we'll use GitHub to GitHub Actions in particular to perform continuous checks of your code and also power a companion website for your package. So this course is targeted for an audience of scientists and researchers who are not professional software developers, but who are using R quite extensively and programming new packages in R. So a good working knowledge of R will be necessary, and participants are expected to be proficient with functional programming and to be familiar with the concept of R package. But you don't need to have any notion of parallel computation or C++ code to be able to follow along. You just need to be familiar with R.